In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications on Keepa. By the end, you'll have email alerts ready so you never miss important price changes on the products you're tracking. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Keepa website. At the top right of the page, look for the login option and click it. On the login screen, enter your account details carefully. Make sure you type your password accurately and keep your credentials secure. If your browser prompts you to save your login, choose what's most secure for you. Once your information is in, confirm the login to access your account. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the settings area. After you're logged in, head to the top right again and click the account menu. From there, open the settings page. This is where you control how Keepa communicates with you and how your alerts behave. Take a moment to let the page load fully so you can see all the available options. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Email Notifications. This is the control center for receiving alerts in your inbox. Find the switch or option to turn email notifications on and enable it. When the toggle is on, Keepa will be able to send you messages whenever your alert conditions are met for tracked products. Next, look closely at the email address shown in that same section. Make sure it's the address where you want to receive these alerts. If you spot a typo or you no longer use the address on file, update it here to the one you check most often. An accurate email ensures that time-sensitive price alerts don't get lost. If your email service has strict filters, you may want to add Keepa's messages to your safe senders list so they land in your inbox rather than a promotions or spam folder. That's it. Email notifications are now active. Keepa typically saves settings as you make changes, so there's nothing extra you need to click. From now on, as you track products on Keepa and set your desired thresholds, you'll receive an email when those conditions are met. If you ever stop receiving emails, revisit this settings page to confirm the toggle is still on and that your address is correct. Thanks for following along. With email notifications enabled, Keepa can work in the background while you focus on what matters, and you'll hear from it only when there's a price move you care about.